Hi guys, this is Mrs. Arciaga, and I just finished looking at your responses to 7.7 extra practice difference of two squares. Before I upload your new one, which is an extension of this topic, I just want to address some misconceptions so you don't make the same mistakes again. Um, I just want to emphasize that multiplication is commutative. So if you switch these two around, it would still be correct. However, I want us to have a convention in writing our answers down in Schoology because Schoology will only give you a point if you follow the order that I used in the key to correction. So just make sure that if your answers come in conjugates, you put the negative first. Sample answers are written here. Now, let's look up some more examples. First one is x squared minus 36. So when you write down your factors, answer could be written as x minus 6 times x plus 6. However, in number 2, since the constant came first before the variable being squared, when you write down your factors, you may write this as 10 minus m times the quantity 10 plus m. There were some students who attempted to factor out a negative 1 from the binomial, and that's also correct. However, when you factored out negative 1, you forgot to rewrite the original binomial as follows. Let me just fix that exponent right there. Okay, so if the original binomial is rewritten as m squared minus 100 with a negative 1 factored out, then your final factors must be written as negative times m minus 10 times the quantity m plus 10. So both of these are correct. It depends on how you factored it. If you factored it as is, or if you factored out with a negative 1 as a GCF, then you have to write down your factors correctly. For the third one, let me just take this out so we'll have more space. Now for the third one, 9n squared is a perfect square and it can be broken down as 3n to the power 2. Well, this is 4 to the second power. So when you break this down, you don't only get the square root of 16 or n, you also have to get the square root of 9. So your final answer must be 3n minus 4 times the quantity 3n plus 4. So similarly, 16h squared can be written as 4h to the second power minus 7 to the second power. So when you write down your factors, 4h minus 7 times the quantity 4h plus 7. There were also some of you who used the correct variable in the first, but not in the other. So if you replace the h by m, then your final answer won't be correct anymore. So just be careful next time when you guys are entering your answers online. Alright, I hope to see your responses to the next classwork, which is a follow-up on this type of factoring. You have a good day.